Customers tagged active, who stop buying, still look engaged in your segments. Let's fix that with Sidekick. Ask Sidekick to build a weekly flow that finds active customers with no order in 90 days. Then swaps active for inactive. Sidekick drafts the workflow and prepares a preview you can open in Shopify Flow. Here's the draft: a weekly schedule, a customer query, a loop, then remove and add tags. Open it in Flow and walk through each step before you turn it on. The scheduled trigger runs every Monday at midnight in your store time zone. Get Customer Data uses an advanced query for tag active and no order in the last 90 days. A for each loop walks every customer returned by that query. The first action removes the active tag from the current customer. Then it adds the inactive tag so they land in your lapsed segment. Turn the workflow on, and it starts tagging lapsed buyers automatically. Check customer segments after the run, inactive tags update, and your lapsed list stays accurate without manual cleanup.